Everybody's in such a big hurry. Check this Porsche out. Panorama 4. Here's the problem when you have a drink. I mean, it's a soft drink, but... Try to make a corner. Excuse me. Your sunglasses are pinned. You open the door, it falls out. But, those cars sound pretty good. You can hear the exhaust. There, oh, you hear it. It sounds nice, doesn't it? Kind of blub, 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 blubby. Kind of like 8-cylinder-ish, you know? It's a panorama. So it must have like a big roof that you can see. That's just a name. They're all good cars. I'm not out to race anybody. This car's been acting up. There he goes. That's awesome. And I wasn't really getting on it at all. So I wish I could have heard that a little bit better, but that's the best I could do for you. So that whatchamacallit, rainbow is up there. Why is this thing? Unbelievable. Alright, enough of my nonsense. If I'm doing 80, they're doing 100. Correct? Well, they're not even doing 80.